Hey guys, so we're doing a duathlon training session. It's been like 4 months almost since we've done a group duathlon session. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna bike out on this baby. We're gonna do 30 kilometers of cycling, then we're gonna do 6 kilometers of running. Okay. So right now what I'm wearing is like a cycling jersey. Underneath it got a running vest on. And so just gonna do a quick transition. I'll also explain that when I'm doing it. Regular shoes, these shoes can be, so because I don't have cleats on, so I can just get off the bike, take off the helmet and then just start running. So as you can see, it's raining and now so we're gonna wait for the rain. The plan is still on definitely, and if it doesn't stop or if it just slows down a little bit, we will then go for the 30k bike ride and then the 6k run. So this is a good point, a good time also to you know, figure out how to do it on the rain. So if it starts raining during your triathlon, what you can do is just so the things that get affected are the braking power. So make sure that your distance from the front of your guy is a little further away. Be a little more alert in terms of like, don't just get completely into the moment. Be a little alert, keep a little bit of distance from that guy in front of you. Keep like 2 fingers on the brake so that you're ready to brake in case of a thing. And also expect that there's going to be a further braking. I mean, it's going to take longer to stop. Okay, so expect that. Off the bike, you might need a change of clothes in this case. So couple of tips there. Make sure you're keeping your running gear in a waterproof bag. And make sure that when you're doing the transition, you know, you're changing as much as possible. Most of the triathlons I've been to have like a separate changing room, so you can actually do a completely change everything you're wearing. Grab your towel, go there, dry yourself off, because it feels really good to start the run completely dry. So we're starting the brick ride. So this is going to be a ride. We're riding 30k like I said. This is Sashi. Sashi, say hi. Hi. Okay, so behind me you can see we've got Angana and Sridhar joining us. So Angana is finished Ironman Goa and Sridhar is done Hyderabad Triathlon. Hey guys, so we're about 6k done, and what I want to talk about is it's great that, you know, on a Sunday morning you're seeing a lot of cyclists despite the rain. See, like this guy. So really nice to see cyclists, but I've counted about 5 or 10 cyclists who are not wearing helmets. So, you know, so let's just be careful about that. It's not good to wear. It's not good to not wear helmets, because you know you're risking injury. You're risking a lot. So anytime we're riding a two-wheeler, let's always wear a helmet. Okay. We're done with about 15k of cycling, so it's about 40 minutes in. I'm riding really slow today because it's raining and you know, I'm on a hybrid. Okay, so one gel. So this has to last me for another 15k of cycling, and I gotta go run 6k after this. So this is the only thing I'm having. I'm fasted. I didn't have anything in the morning before the bike ride. So yeah, this is like, my stomach's growling right now. $31.5k done. Make sure you pause your Garmin. And so what I'm going to do is just take off the helmet. So first things, you take off the helmet, put it in that box that's going to be given to you. Take off, if you're changing, just take off your jersey. And then I've got my music system over here. I'm just going to put that on. So you can customize your transition as you like. If you like sunglasses, then you put them on. But this is what I carry. If you have a cap, you put on a cap. Alright, so we're running. We're at Taramati. So yeah, you can see Taramati here. So the plan now is to run 6k easy off the brick. So off the bike ride, and so started. So I'll check in with you guys again at about maybe 3k, 2.5k. Hey, so I'm here with Sashi. Shashi is doing his brick workout after a very long time.
Right.
So, yeah, tell me how you feeling.
Yeah, I feel it is a very nice weather and roads are very good. So I easily completed 35 kilometers. Now I am running for 4 to 5 kilometers.
Okay, excellent. So, so Sashi is on his way back. I am out. So I was riding a hybrid. Sashi was on a road bike. So I'm going to continue. All right, Sashi. See you at the ending. Okay. So, so what happened? So I'm right now. I've done about 1.73k. We're going to continue. My heart rate's about 135, 140. I mean, it's spiking up because I haven't had water. We didn't put a sack point. So next time, that's probably a learning. We'll put a sack point somewhere in the middle. All right. So back to running. Okay. Back to the music and back to running. Hey guys, so slight uphill and there is lovely cows over here. So yeah, see those, they're like our spectators and cheerers. So really nice to get some crowd applause. 2.7k done. Check in at about 3.5k. Almost there. We are reaching. I've done about 4.4k, so I'm just going to step in. It's killer hot, man. You can see that's the sun on my face. It's killer hot. Okay, I mean it started to heat up and now it's crazy. Me and Parijat are done with our brick workouts. I did the brick. Angana did part of the brick. Now we're here at home, Coco Bean. So shout out to Coco Bean. They've got like this great coffee thing. So they usually have ground coffee. They're out today. So right now we're having
brew coffee, some dosa, as well as
okay, so brew coffee, dosa vada. Great. It's a great combo of a mix of protein and carbs. Post that, the plan for today is to take a couple of videos. So that's gonna be like push-up videos. Angana wants to learn how to do push-ups. She can't cross 15, so we're gonna teach her how to cross 15 push-ups. And that's about it. So this week's goal, this 9th of August, is to get Angana to do how many push-ups? 25 push-ups. Okay, so that's the goal. Okay, so
She's
Angana doesn't know it yet, so we'll tell her.